it's Danny calling from Darkside Developments.
All right.
Can you guess what this phone call's about?
You're joking.
I'm not joking, congratulations.
What?
So, it's time to draw the Fabia VRS competition winner. I'm a little bit nervous, this is my first live video. Thank you to everybody that entered. Wish you the best of luck. This is, to be fair, the best competition that we've ever done. I think just over 2 weeks we sold out all the tickets. That's 1,500 tickets in total. Technically it was actually $14.99 that I think sold. Only 1,497 people got it right, so 2 people got it wrong. I'm not sure how you get that question wrong, it was pretty straightforward. We had entries from 24 different countries, so I'll quickly run through what countries have entered. Obviously, United Kingdom, Italy, Germany, Romania, Austria, Latvia, Norway, France, Canada, Ireland, Spain, Croatia, Slovakia, Poland, the US of A, Luxembourg, Bosnia, Denmark, Cyprus, Netherlands, Lithuania, Hungary, the Bahamas, and Serbia. Quite a diverse geo map for the entrance. Right, I think rather than continue to waffle on, we might as well get things done and pick the winner. So we've got total number of entries 1499, total of correct entries 1479. So that's the number that we're going to be drawing. So as always, we're doing the draw on random.org. So minimum 1, maximum 1497, and drum roll, 1190. 1190, where are we? Trevor Barrett from the United Kingdom bought 2 tickets. So well done, Trevor. Right, Trevor, if you're watching, make sure you answer the phone. And you've got to answer, make me a winner, or otherwise you don't win.
Wrong show.
Oh yeah, wrong show, sorry. That's not the case. Still won. Come on, Trevor. Hello, is that Trevor?
Hello?
Are you right? Is that Trevor?
Yeah, can you hear me?
I can, yeah. It's Danny calling from Darkside Developments.
All right.
Can you guess what this phone call's about?
You're joking.
I'm not joking, congratulations.
What?
Yeah.
I've never done anything in my life.
Well, you have today. Today's your lucky day. You'll have to put a lottery ticket on as well.
I can't believe it. You know what? It's my 10th wedding anniversary today as well.
Is it? Congratulations.
Hang in.
So yeah, I've just had a look at your address as well. You're like in York. You're about an hour away from.
Yeah. I'm mad into my Fabias as well. I've done a couple of 180 conversions myself, so.
All right.
It'd be lovely to get back into a Fabia, like.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
Well, it's dropped on really to see that close, and we've had entrants from 24 countries all over the world, and I can't believe someone from an hour away has won it.
I'm shocked. I'm actually on holiday at the minute as well. Well, I'm in this country, like, but I'm on holiday at the minute. Oh, awesome. Wow.
But yeah, enjoy the rest of your holiday and your wedding anniversary, and I'll speak to you soon.
Cheers, thank you.
All right, no problem. Thanks, Trevor.
Bye.
Cheers. Bye. Bye. Buzzing. Happy. I like it when you speak to people. You get. I feel good. I feel happy for Trevor. Trevor's happy and I'm happy. We'll go through all the details later today with Trevor. And like I said earlier, we are going to be rolling straight into another competition in the next few days. It's another Skoda. Can I get that much detail away? We'll leave it at that. It's another Skoda. So if you want to enter another competition, keep your eye out on social media over the next few days. And yeah, we'll update you soon. So thanks everybody for entering, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. So, Saturday morning, just 2 days after we did the draw for the Fabia VRS. Trevor's here, just out front, waiting in reception. So yeah, let's pull it round, see what he thinks. Trevor. They're yours.
Thank you.
There you are, congratulations.
2 keys, blimey.
Yeah, 2 keys. 2 keys, yeah.
Awesome. It's actually cleaner than my one. I had one back in 09.
Yeah.
Better than that.
It's been well looked after, I think.
Yeah. The guy's messaged me.
Oh, is it?
Because he's old school Skoda as well for years, so
yeah.
we kind of knew of each other but never actually met. Like,
All right. Yeah. He's been a customer of ours since 2015.
Yeah, because he's never really done a lot of social media, is he? He hasn't really posted about it.
No, not really. I don't. He's not that kind of guy.
Yeah. No.
But he loves his cars. He's a proper enthusiast.
I only sold my last Fabia like 2001.
Right.
October 2001, so 21.
20, yeah, I'm gonna say.
So I've only been out of them like not even 2 years.
Straight back in. Like I said, he's probably a good example to get straight back into. And he's got the power.
Yeah. I was just saying, I said I might have to turn it down a bit. It might be too much for me.
Yeah.
Because I want to do some track days and stuff with it. So.
Right. Yeah. It probably makes sense.
Yeah.
Or whatever. Then we'll
I even declare the nitrous and that. They won't
right.
bother.
They're not bothered.
Not that I'll ever use it, but
No.
it's a quirk, isn't it?
Well, that's it. It's an expensive hobby, nitrous.
Yeah. I bet, yeah.
It's 60 seconds
Does it
of fun.
go through it quite a bit, is it? Literally use that bottle, will it?
Yeah, you'll get through that bottle pretty quickly. Yeah. So the nitrous, it's on a switch.
Yeah.
But it's also
I've
on,
seen all the switches, yeah.
It's on a progressive controller as well.
Right.
So that is linked to the throttle pedal.
Yep.
So as long as you've got the nitrous switch on, floor it, it'll put nitrous in. So
I like the calipers as well.
yeah, they're actually glowing dark now.
Do they?
Yeah, I think you have got to charge them with like a UV light, but they are, it's a bit of a gimmick,
Crazy.
but
Yeah.
they are glowing dark. Anyway, so
I can't believe it.
are we getting you out in it?
Yeah, definitely.
Right, we'll set cameras up and we'll get Trevor out in car.
Wonderful. God, blimey. Clutch is heavier than the Renegade.
Oh, blimey.
Brakes are good.
They don't want to be.
Oh, flipping hell, it's snatchy. It's not Land's fault.
No.
It's not been, brakes ain't been moved for a while, so. What? Wowzers. I think I'm on camera. I like the little steering wheel. It's really little.
Didn't you say there was an extra in the boot? How many steering wheels in the garage?
No, there's an original one. Original Fabia one, which I like, the 3-spoke one. Really comfy. Never had one with an LSD. Feel it grip in and pull in then. Only that i30N, but that one didn't have the power this has.
Did you like it as well?
I'll let it chill out a bit.
Quick.
It's good, yeah. It grips, really grips.
Yeah, it does on the tyre, especially on a day like this.
That, the diff, you really feel it kick in. Because I've had a i30N, and they've got manual diff in them. Yeah. And it didn't kick in nothing like this. Obviously got a lot more power than that.
Yeah.
Wow. It's really comfy.
It's not bad, is it?
And it's really quiet. Like,
Yeah,
that's loud and booming
Right, yeah.
inside. It's really quiet.
Perfect, perfect.
No
dealer.
silencer on it.
Perfect.
No
dealer.
silencer
I
on
think
it.
it's got one.
Oh, it's got one.
Yeah, I think it's got one on it, yeah.
I was going to say, it's really quiet.
Yeah, perfect dealer.
Like the fuel pump's the loudest thing. You
Yeah,
that buzzing,
yeah, you
like,
can hear the fuel
mental,
pump.
isn't it?
Yeah, it still
So
should do 40 miles per gallon, I'd have thought. It's a good thing about diesels.
Turbo's awesome when you just get... Can't believe it.
Not bad for 20 quid.
That's 20 quid I've ever spent.
Well, that's it, yeah, yeah.
Cost me more than that, get it back in fuel.
Probably. Not in that, maybe in
Well,
yours.
yeah.
Yeah.
I'm too far, I don't know. Someone's put one in and out for some reason.
Yeah.
No one's done one in a me or anything.
So what power is it?
Just standard 115.
Right.
6-speed box.
Are you not
Everything.
putting any more power or?
I will do, yeah. I was going to get mapped this year. They do 145 stage 1 map, so that'd be more than enough.
Yeah.
It struggles with grip now, to be honest. It's terrible.
Ours never did. 4-wheel drive.
Nah, yeah. I entered that as well.
Did you?
Yeah. I know the original guy that built that.
Yeah, because he's done a few Skodas.
I bought my Fantasy Green Fabia off him, and then I
Right,
sold
right.
it back to him, and then bought it back off him.
Oh,
again.
right.
Yeah. Because I used to like sticking 118s in them.
Yeah. So you're like proper in the Skoda community,
Yeah,
aren't you?
yeah. I mean, you know Skoda? Yeah. I've been on there since like day one almost.
Right.
So I'm proper old school. Two of the best RSs around.
That's it, yeah. Yeah. Who's going to argue?
Yeah, yeah. I literally had the whole interior out of this, changed the wiring loom and everything. Everything out the up GTI has gone into it.
Right.
Everything. Got the brakes as well.
Yeah.
Just about fit under 15s. It's so close that. It's a gnat's whisker.
Especially at top.
I did have some other wheels on it, but I just changed it.
If the fit.
Yeah. And the City Go's never got facelift dash, so this has got all the up dash in it.
Right. That's just the up GTI rear
That-
bumper.
Yeah.
Right.
Just spray silver. Because the car I bought rolled over, so the actual front and rear weren't too bad.
So you literally just bought a donor.
Yeah, I bought a Cat B breaker. That's
Yeah.
why I got so lucky, because that's why people don't do it, because it's still £8 for a Cat S
Yeah.
Cat N. Still £8. Ridiculous. Oh man,
That's cool.
I just love Skodas.
Yeah, it's cool.
I know you don't like petrol, so thanks for engaging me.
really glad it's gone to a proper Skoda enthusiast. So yeah, thanks for entering.
No problem.
Just goes to show everyone else that enters these
yeah.
competitions that
Yeah, you never think it's going to be you, but
it's got to be someone.
yeah,
Gotta be someone.
indeed.
So yeah, it's now a good time to say, by the time this video goes out, there should be a week left on the Yeti. So straight after this competition, we've rolled straight into another competition, giving away another Skoda. So the Overland Skoda Yeti is available. Link should be in the description for the tickets for that. Like I said, there should be about a week left when this video goes out. So be quick. Hopefully this one sells out as quick as the Fabia. So Trevor's happy. We're happy it's gone to a good home. I think that's it. So thanks everyone for entering the competition, and we'll see you in the next one.
Thank you.